What if I told you that a single email address can reveal which website may have an account associated with it? Here is a list of websites this tool scans. Yes, this website as well. No password, no hacking, just an email address. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how this works using an open source tool called Holehe. From installation to running your first check. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So first, understand what exactly Holehe is. So it is an open source tool designed to check whether an email address associated with account on various online services or not. It basically automates the process of checking multiple services. So instead of manually visiting website from website, you can run one command from your terminal and you're good to go. And the best part is you can install it locally and run it directly from your own system. Alright, so let's get it installed. First, we will be visiting the official GitHub repository, this one, right? I'll just provide the link in the description of this video. So from here, you just need to copy this link, right? We have to download this whole repository from the GitHub to our local system. For that, you must have Linux installed. If you have installed Linux on a virtual machine, that is well and good. If not, you can install it. Either you can use Kali Linux in WSL as well, which is just a Windows terminal. So I'll be using the Linux in my virtual machine. I already have installed. So what I'll do first, I'll just clone the repository as I show you by git clone, and just I'll paste the repository, this one, and hit enter, right? So it will, as I told you, it will just clone the repository from GitHub to my local system. As you can see, the folder has been created over here in my local desktop, right? Now in second step, what we will do, we will just create a Python virtual environment with the name VNV to keep our system clean. So by creating that virtual environment, what does it mean? So all the packages that we need to run the Holehe tools, that will be installed on that separate virtual package, right? Python virtual environment. So that doesn't install in our main system, this system, right? So I'll show you how to do it. So it has been installed. Now what we will do, just we will create a virtual environment, right? Python virtual environment, remember that. As you can see, this folder I have created, so I'll first go into this folder. Okay, so I missed the N, so I hit enter. So to see it, we have to type ls-a. As you can see, this file has been created. Now in order to install some packages within this file, we need to activate it, right? So to activate this file, we will be typing some command, that is source. Okay, so there is a misspell, we have to type so and hit enter. So as you can see, the name which is came in the front of the user, that is VNV, that means it has been activated. Now we will be installing all the packages, and this will be get installed in this Python virtual environment, right? First I will upgrade the pip using Python. Okay, so there is a misspell, right? So it is installing the pip and upgrading it. Now we will install all the Python packages, right? So it will install the packages which is required to run this tool, right? Okay, so it has been done. Now as you can see, we will run the file using this setup. So for that we will be using, so there is an error because it requires sudo permission. Okay, so it has been done. Now we will be running the file. So one more thing we need to install, we need to install the request library, which is a Python library to make a request to the server. So to do that, we will be installing Python. Okay, it has been done. Now if we want how to run this tool, so we will be just typing Holehe -help. So it will, if you face any issue, you can go through it. So I know how to do it. As you can see, it is in the repository. Also it is visible that to run, what we will be doing, we will be just giving this followed by the email address, right? So I'll just type, okay, and I'll give my email address, this one, right, and hit enter. So it will scan all the website, like whatever website which is listed in this tool, and just give the result to it. So let's wait and see. So you can see the list of website that is scanned over here, right? These are the website it scanned, right? And yeah, this website as well, you are seeing it correct. So if your friend have an email address, you want to scan it, you can check whether he or she has an account over here or not, right? Quite interesting. So as you can see, it has scanned the website, and you can see that I have a email registered in WordPress, Twitter, Spotify, right? And the various, you can check from here, right? And over here you can see plus means email use, means this is I have used this email. So this is how you can do it. So yes, now after scanning we need to deactivate it, right? We need to come out of this virtual Python virtual environment. So in order to do that, we just type deactivate, right? If you type deactivate, hit enter, then you can see that we just came out of that Python virtual environment, right? And suppose you want to delete this Holehe, so for that you just came one directly back, type ls and do rf hyphen followed by the folder or the directory name. If you hit enter, then okay, so it requires sudo permission, so I'll just give sudo over here, hit enter. It will ask me password. Okay, so it had not asked password because I have provided earlier. Now if you again type ls and see that folder has been gone, right? So this has been gone. So this is how you're gonna do it. If you face any issue, please feel free to comment. I'll be happy to help you. And Holehe isn't giving you someone's password, private messages, or access to their account, right? And that's it, guys. You just learn how to install Holehe and perform your first email check. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tools you want me covered to next. And remember, use this tool for your learning, research, and authorized investigation only. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.